Okay, GP, you can go live. We got. Where's she at now? Where's the king now? Folks, I've started to stream early because the A380 is we're going to be capturing is Emirates without the Expo livery. So this one's going to be just a normal Emirates coloured. Where she, I think you can see her. She's probably in the cloud right now. She's probably going up higher because she's probably about 1,000 feet by now. So she's probably light, I'd assume in. Is Qatar going out? Oh, Qatar's already gone out. Oh, okay. Here he comes. Here she comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here she comes, folks. Oh, this is going to be perfect if she's... Remember, we caught this 380 at 500 feet. I think it was the Expo one. Yeah, the Expo colours. But this one's high enough now. She's about 1,400 feet or something. She's moving quite fast. Is this Emirates, GP, or is this Qatar? No, this is Emirates, isn't it? Ah, snails. Right, I'm going to stay silent on this, folks. This is the Emirates A380 from Heathrow to Dubai. Straight down to Dubai. Here we go. Actually, she might be quiet, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. She'll be about like 1,000 when she's low enough. You can hear her a bit more. She's high up, isn't she? She's not out it. So the other ones I do, not this one. Yeah, she's quite high, isn't she? She's bound for Dubai, I think. EK6, I think.